Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to get factorial of an non-negative or positive integer n in SQL Server. This is the formula to get factorial of n. N multiplied by n minus 1 up to 1. A factorial of a non-negative number or a positive number is the multiplication of numbers from 1 to n. Okay. For example, factorial of 5 is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 120. Okay. Now let's see how we can achieve this in SQL Server. First of all, I have declared a variable n and its data type integer, and by default assign a value 5. It's up to you what value you can want to assign. Okay, and lower limit equal to 1. This is 1. Yeah, we can say least number. Result. This is result output. For example, for 5 the result is 120. Okay, and number just this assign the value in this variable. Okay, now I have assigned the value of n to this variable. First of all, we are going to check the number if this is greater than equal to 0, because an integer can be negative. If a number is 0, then as we know, the factorial of 0 and 1 is always 1. Okay, if a number is 0, then result will be 1. Okay, if number is not 0 or greater than 0, then this code will be executed. Okay, else condition. In the else condition, this is the entire code within begin and end. Here this is while loop, that is checking the number should be greater than lower limit. In the first iteration, lower limit is 1 and number, as we know, we have assigned the value 5. Okay, the result will be set 5 multiplied by 1, because we assign the initially value 1 to result. In the first iteration, result will be 5. Now here we are decreasing or reducing the value of number by 1. Okay, this is 5 minus 1, then for the second iteration the value of number will be 4. Okay, in the second iteration, if we come here, the result value of 5 and number here 4. Okay, then the result will be result multiplied by number, that was 5 multiplied by 4, that will be 20. Okay, and finally when this number will be reached to 0, then the loop will be terminate, and here we are printing the statement factorial of number which is initially declared is result. Okay, now I am going to execute entire statement from here. See here, the code written within in this is the command, and this is also single line command. Okay, now let's execute the code. and see the value of factorial of 5. Okay, see here. Factorial of 5 is 120. Now I am going to change the value of 5 from 5 to 0. Let's check the value. It should be 1. Okay. The factorial of 0 and 1 is always 1. Now I am going to change this value to 1. See here. Okay. Now I am going to change this value from 1 to let's 6. Okay. 720. Okay. Now you can do this on your end. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.